to Singapore คนไทยเนี่ยที่สิงคโปร์เขาต้องtake some ahead one and
สวัสดีค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ A very good morning to everyone. Thank you for a round of applause. I would love to say Mingalaba, Xin Chào, Sawadee, I learned a few more. Selamat pagi and Jumrik Sur. Kamusta? And of course, a very good morning to you all, everyone. Welcome to our first day, to the very first day of Regional Capacity Building Workshop Empowering Youth across Asean Cohort 4. I am Pinrat, and it is my absolute honor to be here as your host today. Before we begin our energetic and exciting session, I would love to invite everyone to please rise and pay respect to the Asean anthem, please. Thank you very much. Please be seated, everyone. It is truly a joyful annual occasion that we are gathered to welcome our young volunteers across the ASEAN region to be here, to learn more skill and of course to get to know the people around the region. Therefore today, to ensure our smooth journey and a fruitful session ahead of us, there is a few housekeeping rules that I would love to encourage everyone. Today, our esteemed guest has packed a lineup of sessions that will of course amaze you all. So please put your phone away or turn it to silent mode, or if you really need to pick up the phone, well, you can talk to the people outside as well. Coming up next, please pay respect and respect everyone in the room. Well, if our speaker is talking or our friend is paying attention, so please be aware of that. One more thing I would love to enforce is that, this is all about empowering youth, our generation. So let's leave the politics activities away and enjoy all of our session today with our esteemed guests and our friends. This is a great opportunity for all of us to, get to know the people. Some are very familiar faces. I would love to be one of that. Some of our alumni and some new friends. So let's not waste that opportunities. And well, of course, listen carefully to the session, enjoy it to your heart content, and we would love to hear from you as well. Every day we will have the end of the day survey session, so please fill up the feedback so we know which part of the session you love the most. You can even make a note that I love MC the most for that, so I can come back next year. And yeah, let us know about your thought as well. Every day, right? Every day. And well, I think that's pretty much it. Stay connected, stay energetic, and of course, if the trainers or our speaker asks you to, say a few words or contribute, don't be shy. Everything that happens inside here will stay here together as well. And once again, a big round of applause to Chulalongkorn University for offering us this lovely space. Thank you very much. So before we begin, allow me to give you some more backgrounds about our activity. Since its inception, the program has empowered over 293 youth volunteers. We partner with over 30 civil society organizations, social enterprises, and direct impact over 60,000 people across ASEAN. Building on success of the previous 3 cohorts, the Empowering Youth Cohort 4, we bring together 99 youth volunteers and 10 representatives from civil society, organization, and social enterprise. Together, we will implement 10 community projects span across 5 countries: Cambodia, Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines, Singapore, and of course, Thailand. Therefore, this week's Regional Capacity Building Workshop, we aim to equip you with all the essential and necessary skill to ensure the effective implementation of your prospective projects. Additionally, this is a platform where you can connect and collaborate with all of our friends across the region. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe it's time to kick off our energetic morning with our warm welcoming remarks from the Chief Executive Officers from Maybank Foundation. Let's give a thunderous round of applause to our CEO